Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. You've invested in Ipe, which is this beautiful exotic hardwood for your deck project. Now let's learn how to take care of it. Ipe, when exposed to the elements, will develop a silvery, white, distinguished patina. If you choose this look for your Ipe, besides an annual cleaning of the wood, there's really not much else that you have to do to keep your Ipe looking beautiful. If you do plan on retaining the reddish-brown tones of your new Ipe, you will have to apply an oil that is suitable for exotic hardwoods. My recommendation is to apply 3 very light coats of exotic hardwood oil to the Ipe in the first 18 months after your Ipe is installed. Ideally, a schedule of 1 coat in the spring, 1 coat in the fall, and a 3rd coat in the following spring. Once this base coat of oil is applied to your Ipe, put your Ipe on an annual schedule of cleaning and oiling. Because of the dense properties of Ipe, the wood will not absorb much oil, so you have to make sure that any coat that you apply is light. If you go too heavy with the oil, it will dry on top of the surface, causing a caked-on look, which is hard to resolve. My favorite way of applying oil to Ipe is to wipe it on with a lint-free cloth. There are several great hardwood oils on the market that are perfect for Ipe. I've achieved some really great results using the paraffin line on several of my own Ipe projects. They even have an exotic hardwood oil formulated for Ipe specifically. And now you know how to take care of your Ipe hardwood deck. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.